Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure an online store with BigCommerce step by step clearly. Log in to your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the control panel. Select account settings from the left sidebar. Find the security section within the settings menu. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Download an authentication app if you haven't already. Follow the prompts to link your account with the authentication app. Next, go back to your control panel. Select Store Settings under the Advanced Settings section. Scroll down to the SSL Certificates option. Ensure that your SSL is enabled for secure transactions. Check the status of your SSL certificate. If it's not activated, follow the prompts to obtain and install one. Return to Store Settings and look for Payments. Review your payment gateway settings. Ensure your gateway is PCI compliant. Set up strong passwords for all user accounts. Limit access permissions to sensitive areas within your store. Enable automatic backups to ensure data integrity. Regularly update your BigCommerce platform to benefit from security patches. Monitor your store's activity through the activity log. Set up alerts for any unusual activities or unauthorized logins. Regularly review user roles and permissions. Educate your team about online security best practices. Ensure all third-party apps integrated with your store are reputable. Review your privacy policy and terms of service. Test your checkout process for security features. Conduct regular security audits to identify vulnerabilities. Stay informed about the latest security threats and updates. Implement customer data protection measures. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.